Okay, this is a review for that Vodka power bank USB adapter. Yeah, that's what I purchased. Okay, and this is what I got in 2 pieces, right? The dummy battery for the Canon R50. Canon R50, I don't know if you can see it. GoPro doesn't focus on things. Anyways, and we got 2 power banks. This one, cheap one that I just got, I need it for lights, and also I needed this one for lights. But here, this one, they said that you gotta use 18. This I think is an inverter or something like that. Power. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there you go. It says right here, 18 to 30 watts. So, and I think this is gonna convert it into an output of 8.4 volts. So we'll check out the battery in here for the Canon, and the light reflects on it, and it's 7.5 watts. Where's the input or output? It's all in Chinese. Anyways, oh, there it is. Okay, battery pack LPE 17, 7.2 volts, 1040 mAh lithium battery. Anyways, we're gonna try the size. The size is the same thing. Yep, same size, same pins. Okay, let's try now. Okay, doesn't go in it. Oh, wait a minute. This heart don't come out. Oh, that's got stuck right here. Okay, there you go. Oh, I was putting it the wrong way. The pin's going this way. It's amazing if it like that. There we go. Oh, and because of this too. Oh, that's where it comes out. Nice. All right. Now we're gonna put it together. Okay, let's try it in this small power bank. There were 2 for 20 bucks. So it's already on. I mean, turn it on. It won't turn on. Power's on. No power. I hope I didn't burn my battery and my camera. Okay, let's try the other one now. Okay, it lit up. Holy cow, the camera went on too. Nice. I'm assuming, oh, this thing light up green too. It says out. Yeah, I put it in the PD. Oh, it even says right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it says right there PD. So PD here. I guess that most of the PD, they throw in, I think, about 15 volts, I think, or 18. I don't know. I think it's 18 about now that I'm okay. This thing stays on solid. My camera's off, but it did got some power. There you go. Again, keep the lens cap on your when you turn on the camera. Okay, it's working. It's working. Nice. It works. Cool. All right, guys.